Let's talk about ghosting. Not the spooky Halloween kind, the they disappeared mid-convo and now your chest feels like it's caving in kind. Sometimes ghosting is just immaturity, but sometimes it's part of a bigger pattern of control and avoidance.
Do you find yourself questioning if your relationship is abusive? Take our Is My Relationship Abusive quiz and take the first step toward understanding your situation.
You replay the last conversation over and over. Was it the emoji you sent? That one joke? You start bargaining with yourself, thinking if you'd just been cooler, they'd still be here. Here's the truth no one tells you. Ghosting isn't about you. It's about them. Most ghosters grew up feeling powerless. Maybe they faced abandonment or never learned healthy ways to handle conflict. So instead of saying, hey, I'm not feeling this, they vanish. It's not mature, but it feels safe to them. No confrontation, no vulnerability, just disappear. Some ghosters aren't even aware of what they're doing. They've convinced themselves they're just bad at texting or busy. But under that, fear of intimacy, low self-esteem, a whole mess of unhealed emotional stuff they'd rather avoid than face. Ghosting used to be a red flag. Now it's just expected. Because of the internet, you don't have to face the hurt you cause. You can mute someone mid-convo, soft block your guilt, or vanish without a word because eye contact isn't required. Their reasons may explain their behavior, but it doesn't excuse the impact on you. But here's the kicker. If you're drawn to ghosters, it doesn't mean you're broken. It means your nervous system is responding to what it knows. If they ghosted you, it's not proof you're unlovable. It's a sign they didn't have the emotional tools to handle someone like you. You don't need clarity from someone who wasn't willing to give you honesty. Instead, start matching energy, respect your own boundaries, and remember, being ghosted is a reflection of their emotional immaturity, not your worth. You deserve presence, not disappearance.
Thank you for watching. Download our free resources, which will help you understand the patterns of abuse, spot the warning signs, and take your first steps toward reclaiming your strength and autonomy. Please raise awareness by sharing with others. You can also like or subscribe if it is safe to do so. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to check out related videos. See you in the next video.